Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the CapCut quality video tutorial. So first, import your video to CapCut and then just go to video effects, and then under the basic category, select the edge glow effect. Okay, click on a check icon and set the effect until the end of the clips. And after that, go back, click on filter, and click on the live category and select the salt filter. Okay, after that, go back to the filter and add another filters. Now go to retro and select this fade filter. Okay, this one's right here, and click on that and then click on the check icon. And last, go back again, and then last click on add another filter, filter, click on filter, and now under the movies category, add the high saturations effect, high saturation filter, click on a check icon, and now your video is done. So here is the result for the quality video with the filter that I just added. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye bye.